friends, this is Rakesh from Let's Make Learning Simple channel. Now we are going to discuss about build a design pattern in a theoretical manner using some real-time examples. Actually, the name itself conveys that build a design pattern is it's building something. In this case, it's building object. So, since it's building an object, it falls under creational design pattern. Okay, and then it builds a complex object using some simple objects. For example, consider a real-time example. If suppose you are building a house, then first you need to set the basement, and then you need to set the pillars, and then each step you need to put the brick and then cement. So to build a house, you need this number of small objects: bricks, rod, iron rod, and then sand, like that. Similarly, for creating a complex Java objects, you need some n number of small objects. You need to embed those objects in the complex object. So we will try to cover the example using real time, using some program in the next video. For now, just we'll consider the real time examples of builder design pattern. The first real time example for builder design pattern is laptop manufacturing. For example, suppose if you want to manufacture a laptop, then you need to follow some steps. You need to insert the hard disk, and then you need to set the LCD screen, and then a number of steps. After finishing those steps, then you will get the final object called laptop. So that's the first example. And the second example is, if you need any beverage means like coffee, boost, or Horlicks means, what you will do is the coffee, boost, Horlicks master would try to follow these steps in a generic manner. For example, the first add water and then milk and then sugar. Finally, when it comes to powder, they will decide whether it's a coffee powder, a boost powder, or Horlicks powder based on our requirement. So these steps are very generic to create an object. So these are some simple objects. Water is a simple object, milk is a simple object, sugar is a simple object, and coffee, boost, Horlicks powder is also a simple object. So using this, you will create a complex object called beverage. And third example called pizza making. Suppose if you want any pizza means, these are the following steps that will be done behind this screen. So first they will try to get the plain pizza, and then they will add the cheese objects, and then they will add the vegetable objects. So here cheese, vegetables are some simple objects. To create a complex pizza, you need these simple objects. So this is the real-time scenarios where we are using builder design pattern. In the next video, we will try to cover how to write a program to explain the builder design pattern using some real-time scenario. Thanks for watching.